Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Look, dear student, today our topic is Exercise 2, Division Part 2. Exercise 2, Division Part 2, Lecture number 6, page number 3. Today I will discuss again with you about the division. Okay student, look now. This these two division has taken from your book, page number 11. This is question number 1 of 1 and 5, and this is the question number 2 of 1. Student, notice here 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, there are varieties type problem. Among them, I have select question number 1 and 5. Okay, let's start the class. Look, this is 57,249 and division 228. Okay, you already learned in the previous class that this is called dividend and this is called divisor. This is divisor and this is dividend or dividend. Okay, look, you have to write like this way. According to your book, 228, 57,249. Okay student, look, dividend is 57,249 and divisor is 228. Look, if we take from here 3 digit, then it comes 572. Okay, and divisor is 228. So we have to divide 572 by 228. Okay, look, if we take 2 times, then what? If we take 2 times, then look, 456. If we take here 3 times, then this was overcome of 572. Okay, so I have taken here 2 times. Look, so 228 into 2 equal to what? 456. Now you have to subtract. 12, 2 means here 12. 12 minus 6 equal to what? 6. And you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 5, 6. 7 minus 6 equal to what? 1. Then 5 minus 4 equal to what? 1. Now you bring down this 4 in here. Okay. Look, now it becomes 1,164. Okay. Look, if we take 6 times, then our result will be overcome of 1,164. So we have to take 5 times. Look, 5 times. Now we have to multiply 228 with 5. Look. Okay, student, look. 228 into 5. 5 8s are 40. You have 4 in your hand. 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14, and you have 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now write here 1140. Dear student, now subtract 4, 6 minus 4 equal to what? 2. Now if you bring down this 9 in here. Now we have to divide 249 by 228. How can? 228 into 1 equal to what? 228. Now subtract, then you get 9 minus 8 equal to 1, 4 minus 2 equal to what? 2. Now 251, this is the quotient, and 21, this is the remainder. Now write answer quotient 251 and remainder 21. Student, look now. Now I will solve question number 5. Okay, question number 5. You see 53,352 division 702. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. This is the dividend. Look, now we have to divide 53,352. Okay, look. Student, please give attention here. You see there are 3 digits 702. 702. Please notice here this is 702. But here if we take in here 3 digit, look, 533. Okay, 533. So we have to proceed up to 4 digit. That means 5,335. Okay. Now we have to divide 5,335. That means we have to take up to 5 to this. That means we have to take in here up to 4 digits. Okay. Now you have to calculate. Look, if we take 8 times, then what? 8 7s are 56. Okay. That means overcome. So you have to take 7 times. Look, 7 2s are 14 and 7 7s are 49. Now subtract 5 minus 4 equal to what? 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Look, this is 3 and this is 9. So you have to consider 3 as a 13. 13 minus 9 equal to what? 4. Now put here 4. As you consider 3 as 13, so you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 5 minus 5 equal to what? 0. No need to write. Now you have to bring down these two in here. Okay. Now this is 4,212. We can divide this by 702. Okay. Now look, if we take here 7 times, then we got 4,914. Okay. So we have to take 6 times. Look, now 6 2s are 12 and 7 6 are 42. Student, notice here I have calculated in another way. Look, I have calculated 702 with 6 like this way. I don't multiply in like this way. 6 2s are 12, 6 7s are 42. Okay, not this way. I have calculated in front of. Okay, student, I have given this circle for your understanding. Okay, no need to give the circle. Okay, when you solve the division. Okay, okay, student. Now write answer quotient 76 remainder 0. You know, student, quotient is the short Q is the short form of quotient and remainder R is the short form of remainder. R is the short form of remainder. Okay. I hope you understood. Now I will discuss with you question number 2. Please notice here. Check if the following calculations are correct or not. Okay, student. Look, 29,845 division 293. Then 101. That means this is the quotient. 101. This is the quotient, and remainder is 282. 282. Now you have to verify. Your quotient will be 101. And remainder will be 282. You have to now justify. That means here the result is given quotient 101 and remainder 282. So you have to now justify. Your result will be 101 or another. Okay, let's solve. Look, here, you listen, this is 293, this is the divisor, this is the dividend, and this is the quotient, this is the remainder, this is the remainder. Okay? Now, right here, quotient, that means short form quotient. Q is the short form of quotient. Quotient is 293. Sorry. Quotient is 101. Quotient is 101. Remainder is 282. Okay. Remainder is 282 and divisor is 293. Look, quotient equal to 101, remainder equal to 282 and divisor equal to 293, and this is the dividend. Okay, that means this is the given dividend. This is the given dividend. Now we have to prove our result is correct or mistake. We know dividend equal to what? Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We know this formula, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now, divisor equal to what? 293. Quotient 101. And remainder 282. Okay? Now, you have to multiply 293 by 101. Right here. That means this is the rough 293 into 101, 3920 0 0 0 392 39592. Okay, student, this is the result. Now put here 29593 plus 282. Now 282 and plus 8. Look, our obtained dividend is 29,875. Okay, put here 29,875. Okay, student, look, our dividend is 29,875. Okay, but given dividend is what? Given dividend is 29,845. So this statement is true or false? Obviously this statement is false. Okay, because our dividend is 29,875. Okay, so our statement is mistake. Okay, now write here but our given dividend is 29,845. But our given dividend is 29,845. but our obtained result is 29,875. So the given statement is not correct. So the given statement is not correct. Student, notice here, if our obtained dividend and the given dividend will be same, then we will say the given statement is true, okay, or the given statement is correct. Okay student, I hope you understood today's topic. Now I will discuss about SW. Look, SW number 3, exercise 2, page number 11. Page number 11, question number 3. Okay, this type of division has already done in your previous class. Okay, so I hope you can solve this easily. Dear student, you submit your every SW on every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM, and you collect this on next Saturday. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.